We got Goldie rocking out with the Cox Arms, the newest prototype available. Y'all heard it here first. Check this out. What is that you got there, man?
It's the prototype, Cox Arms prototype, man. You already know what it is, right? They got this big old EO Tech one here. This thing already hot like fire. Let's see if we can heat her up a little bit more. You know what I'm talking about?
There you go. Woo! How she feel?
Damn! And this a prototype? You sure this? So when it's all said and done, I can take this home, right? No. You already know what it is, Goldie, Project Bang Out. I'm out here with the Shooter Circle family today. And we are going on with a Cox Arms rifle event brought to you here shortly by Shooter Circle Academy. Click, click, bang. And also yours truly, Cox Arms. They are here today, and we fitting to get busy. So let's get it started, baby. Bang out.
Be facilitating your fun time today. This is not an instructional portion of our courses, but we're going to be out here having a good time. Got our friends over here from Cox Arms. Got Mike and Athena. And they brought out a few things for us to test out, talk about, get a little bit of content, because they got the best AR you'll ever shoot in your life. This is what we're out here to do. Everyone that's here is very near, dear, special to my heart. I want to thank you very much for being out here. So let's get this party started. Let's do this at the breeze and get it going. Anything you want to say to us, Mike, to get us started? In regards
Thanks for having us.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming out, Mike.
Can you tell us a little bit of what you brought out here for us to play with?
Yeah. We've got a 13.7 that's suppressed for y'all to have fun with. We've got an 11.5 SBR. We've got our 16-inch Guardian. And then we have our newest thing. This is not out yet. This is a prototype. We're calling it the EMR1. I like that.
Thank you.
I know, but you could have used the case.
Yeah, but that you can
Just
squish.
two notches up, and then that notches up.
My friend. They gave him orders like that. And when he joined the military, he had light. He didn't tell them he had asthma. He had slight. But then he used the doctor's note this time. And that got him.
Hey, that's the Guardian suppressed, right? How do you feel about that thing right there?
A little bit sassy.
A little bit sassy?
It's such a soft shooter. It just, boom, you can feel all the internals just working. It's not driving into my shoulder. So I can stay on target.
See the edge of the table?
That's still out there.
Suppressor.
Got you.
Yeah, just because it gets so hot, it'll melt whatever it touches.
Got you. Now, does it melt the actual suppressor on the outside or no?
No.
What you have for us, Uncle Scoop?
I'm out here with
I just shot up close.
see that right there. That's Guardian, right? Yeah, that's Guardian. Got a round loaded up with 5.
I was just running it. Yeah, I was just running it and staying all in the A zone too. Just that middle square.
We got 3 on the line. Pick your choice. Your choice is yours. Scoot behind the wheel.
Woo! That Guardian. That's gonna save the galaxy right there.
Impact. What kind of stuff you got, like a 30 cal? No, on that,
Yeah, how'd that feel? Talk to me. What stood out to you?
No recoil, just straight pop. You know, you gotta aim a little low. Once you find that target, that dot helps you get straight to it.
Nice.
This is awesome.
Yeah. Talking about
Couple G's ain't nothing.
that's what you want for Christmas, huh?
Oh yeah. Christmas, birthday, Easter.
Something.
I saw him.
Lean in just a little.
There'll be a trash can in a minute. I need one. It's way down.
Yeah, that bad boy. But yeah, I like it though.
Try and hit the yellow one to the left.
Yeah, I got one. Oh, you do? Yeah.
Man. Listen. If I listen.
Listen, what?
If I had the money, I would drop thousands on that. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
I need that.
Look. Look.
Money right here.
The money right there.
The money right here.
The money right there.
I need that.
I need that now.
I love him, but I gotta do him like
I
that.
need that one. That's crazy.
Pepper still did do some shoot.
Yeah. That kind of you know.
Still hit.
Yeah, impact.
Right? Go back to the
Impact.
you want to run.
I wanted to let it go, but I'm like, let me just control it. But I'm like,
That's put together right there.
yeah, that's nice. That's nice. That's real nice. I even still like that one.
I want to, that's what I want to shoot now.
That,
I gotta go get the bag.
Where the shit is down.
I better take it.
See how it's not moving?
That thing right there, boy.
We ready.
Coming out, hanging out with us. This is awesome.
Thank you, Mike and Athena, for hanging out with us.
Reaching out to Gary.
Thanks, Mike.
Thank you for having us.
Thanks, Uncle Scoot for getting us out here.
Yeah, good old time. Good old time.
I did a little bit better.
You're not out. Right.